Welcome to my comprehensive review of Sage 50 Cloud, a cloud-based accounting software designed for small to medium-sized businesses. In this video, I'll guide you through the software's key features, usability, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right fit for your accounting needs. Starting with the interface, Sage 50 Cloud offers a user-friendly dashboard that provides quick access to financial data, including invoices, payments, and reports. Navigation is straightforward, which is a plus for those new to accounting software. The setup process is relatively simple, although initial configuration might take some time if you're migrating data from another platform. Point one of Sage 50 Cloud's standout features is its integration with Microsoft 365. This allows seamless collaboration across teams and ensures that financial data is easily accessible wherever you work. Its real-time cloud capabilities make it convenient to monitor your financial health, even on the go. The software includes essential accounting tools like accounts payable and receivable, inventory management, and bank reconciliation. Its reporting feature is robust, offering customizable templates for financial statements, making it easier to analyze business performance. However, it's worth noting that some advanced features may require additional modules or subscriptions. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources that can enhance your accounting knowledge and business management strategies. Be sure to check them out after watching. Sage 50 Cloud is a subscription-based software, and pricing varies depending on the plan you choose. While the cost may seem higher than some competitors, the advanced features and cloud integration justify the investment for businesses with complex accounting needs. The software also offers strong customer support, with live chat, a knowledge base, and phone assistance to help resolve issues promptly. Security is another strength of Sage 50 Cloud. With regular updates and data encryption, you can trust that your financial information is well protected. However, as with any software, it's crucial to keep your system updated to minimize potential vulnerabilities. Overall, Sage 50 Cloud is a reliable and feature-rich accounting solution for businesses that require robust tools and cloud integration. While it may not be the cheapest option, its scalability and professional features make it worth considering. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and tutorials on business tools and software. Your support helps me create more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching.